I need to get down there somehow. Check it out, guys. There's water right here. You guys see that? Damn! It has to be fish. Oh, I'm forgetting the worms. Go back get the worms, guys. Alright, guys. It's not that deep right here. Oh, but I do see fishes. That's a very good sign. That's a healthy sign. I was able to see little fishes right now. Alright guys, we found water. Found not some good spots. See some little fishes, but all I saw was little fishes. That's a good sign though. Let's keep walking on this trail. Let's see if I see any more water holes. Found this little trail right here. Let's check it out. There's this big ass tree. There's no mountain lion hiding up in these trees. What was that? I could hear water. Oh, hell yeah. Try this little area. I'm already right here anyways. Alright, let's get down there somehow. Oh, there is fish. Biting it, they're biting it. Check it out, guys, they're biting it. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got one. Damn, these are biting over here. Let me go down there. Yeah, we go down there, guys are biting over here. Alright, let's check out what's over here. Check out this spot. There's nothing here. This is cool. What the fuck? Check it out. Whoa. Oh, that was cool. I can't freaking do that. Let's try it, I guess. Oh. Whoa. Oh, I made it. I'm across like the horses. Check out where I'm from, guys. Hell yeah. That's what I was looking for. I knew there was something here. Alright guys, I'm walking back now. I don't know how far I came, but I walked a good. It's getting overgrown over here, so and it's getting a little dark, so I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back while I was getting bites. Maybe I could get a little catch before I go. But let me walk back, guys. I walked pretty deep over here. Didn't find much. Found some water, but ain't no fishes over here. It's kind of weird. Alright guys, I came back to this spot. I was getting some bites earlier. See if I get some bites again. Oh shit, come on. That's a big fish. Oh, got him, got him, got him. Got him. Oh, what kind of fish is this? Oh, what kind of fish? Oh, it's a bass, guys. Check it out. I got him. Hell yeah. A lip or two. Look at that. Check it out, guys. Hell yeah. And this local stream. Fuck yeah. Got him, baby. Got the bass. Nice one too. Let's release this bad boy. Oh, let's get another one. Hell yeah. Made it worth it. Alright, let's go. It's getting dark now. I can't get out of here. Alright guys, I gotta get out of here. It's getting dark. Let's get out of here before it gets dark on us, guys. We got one though. Let's go, guys. See how I get out of here now. Alright guys, I gotta get out of here before it gets dark.